Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, ZTE Blade A32, and I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. First, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features here, for example, Bluetooth and location services. Then open settings, and here just find battery and enable power saving mode. But if you need to enable super power saving mode, so you can enable it. In this mode, your smartphone will live longer from one charging. But here you can use only 6 applications at the same time. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.